about genotype versus phenotype terminology, let's to understand. It's a basically concept of psychology and under the subsection of heredity and environment. Okay, so when we read about heredity, then there is especially as PRT exams are going to come soon for KVS exam. So this note is basically for the same exam, that is KVS, AES, etc. If you're preparing for heredity and environment concepts, then this is must to be noted down. So let's see what is genotype and what is phenotype. Genotype is an organism's genetic information like BB, where like there is a three type of B. First is homozygous dominant. If in someone's body homozygous element is dominant, see what will be the characteristic or the physical trait will be appear at as the external appearance to a flower. See, it's totally purple at the both side, right? So if we have both the BB, homozygous is dominant, then you can see it's taking purple shade. Next is one is capital and later one is smaller. This is heterozygous. So here we can see is might be the flower going to be little more different in both are purple. That is we can see is both are B like okay, both are purple, but what's difference could be there that first one was both for greater one, but here one is bigger and later one is smaller in look-wise physical trait. And later one, when both the BB element is smaller, homozygous recessive is there, that is DNA. We having the DNA in our body of human beings, but if we talk about flowers, then there is a colors of petals. The here is it's white. So you can say that phenotype is a set of observable physical traits, and how it comes, it's all because of genotype, right? Let's see one more example here. Genotype is the combination of alleles an organism inherits from its parents. So genotype is basically is the genes that we inherit from our parents, and phenotype is the organism appearance physically that we look how we are looking, how our body is supposed to look. It's totally based on genes, right? Let's see some more example if you get it. I'm trying to get one based on people. Difference between phenotype and genotype. See, here we have the DNAs or genes of plants and animal cells, and here, well, it must be only related to animals or insects, as here the picture is showing only to plant related to plants or animals, insects. So here the DNA is related to plants and animals. See, so right hand side picture is showing what is showing. So it is genotype is genes that a particular organism has, and phenotype is what that how we look, it depends on our genes, right? Phenotype faces the wall and genotype plan for phenotype. Like this is the genes in a body in a human being, and it's all something like deoxyribonucleic acid DNA that found in the chromosomes. It's all about that what design our body, right? Like see at last genes here you can see the code for a mosquito here is like this, and the phenotype it become like this because of its genes are there like this. It's designed, this organism mosquito is actually designed like this because of its genes are like this. Now if we having a blue eyes or a brown eyes, it also depend upon our genes. Like if we have the genotype here is BB in small letter and recessive is smaller b, then we have a bluish eyes, that is now phenotype is actually that's based on genes, so it got blue eyes. Similarly here, if how it got brown eyes. Now how will the question be arises? Can you tell me who designed or planned for the brown eyes? Either it's genes or it's phenotype. So it totally be the genes, genotype property that it become like this. Now second question, the the physical appearance that we are seeing here is called as phenotype or genotype or none of these or all of these. Then this is phenotype. So question will be arise like that. It's of 1 marks only. So here I hope that you gain 1 marks of your exam. Thank you so much.